Welcome to Photoshop's Creative Cloud, Understanding Layers. My name's Barry Beckham. This set of Understanding Layers videos is not really intended to be a part of our Photoshop for Photographers series, but they can be if you wish. Our Photoshop for Photographers series demonstrates layers as an integral part of the learning of Photoshop, and many users will pick up how layers works from that group of videos. However, I'm well aware that layers in Photoshop can be a daunting subject, and some find it difficult to grasp. Now, you shouldn't worry about that at all. We all went through that phase at one time when we first become acquainted with Photoshop layers. Look at layers not as something complex or difficult, it's just something we haven't learned yet. So these videos have been designed and put together for those of you who do find layers just a little bit difficult to grasp. So what have we done here to make the learning easier? We've isolated layers from as many of the other aspects of Photoshop as we possibly can, so that in this set we can just focus purely on layers and layer techniques. So the videos in this set cover many different projects and techniques where layers plays a vital part of that technique. We begin these videos with one which we call the concept of layers, because that's a vital part of what we need to know first. How exactly does the layer system work? In this Understanding Layers set, we have 13 videos running for a total of about 3 hours, with the average video length being just 14 minutes. Our aim in these tutorials, as always, is to educate, but also to try to inspire too. We've included many of the images that we created while recording these videos, and in some cases we've left those images in their layered form, so you can open them up in your version of Photoshop and study the layers we created a little more closely. We also include a link with your download to all of the original images that we used in the making of these videos. So if you want to follow along with the actual images we used, then you're free to do that. Layers is a vital part of Photoshop because we need it for those simple improvements to our images, but we also need it for our creative work too. It's just too good to miss.